Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a half look, a split look, pink and red because of my nails. I'm using here the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. And on my pink side, I'm going to go with Cavity. And on my red side, I'm going to use the eyeshadow called Prick. And I'm just buffing this into my crease and my lower crease, just all over. I'm not being too defined about it. I'm actually being more messy and blown out because I'm wearing huge lashes. So one side is red and one side is pink, split half and half, however you want to call that look. So yeah, just blend away. Make sure you blend all of the like outer edges of the eyeshadows. Now to deepen both sides, I'm going to use on my pink side Extraction, and on my red side I'm going to use Fresh Meat. Now I use a 217 MAC brush because this brush is a little bit more tapered, so it stays more in the lower crease area. Ahora me voy a aplicar sobre el párpado on the lid. I'm going to use like a red glittery eyeshadow, and then on my pink side, obviously a pink glittery eyeshadow. Voy a usar Norvina palette from ABH. And I'm just going to really press those glitter eyeshadows on the lid and just kind of diffuse it to make it like blended, like almost like a gradient of color. O sea, quiero que la sombra se vea como un degradante de color. Ahora me estoy aplicando mi concealer. This is my usual concealer. Going in here using NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I don't use the shade too light because I don't like to look highlighted. Tengo oscuridad debajo de los ojos, así que me voy con un look más natural de concealer. Un tip, chicas, para el contour en crema, aplíquenlo un poquito más arriba de donde quieren su contour, porque cuando difumines naturalmente vas a difuminar un poco hacia abajo. Y así queda entonces en las áreas que necesitas. Claro está, si hace esa técnica, confíen, practiquen. Aquí me voy dando más definición en el rostro con un polvo mineral de MAC que me gusta mucho. Uso el color Dark Deepest. And I use kind of like bronze / contour with this. Para mi blush estoy usando aquí la hermanita Kylie Cosmetics. Esto fue de su colección de Navidad el año pasado. It's called Winter Kiss. And I like this soft pink. I chose this soft pink because I'm going really bold on the eyes and really bold on the lips. So I feel like I need to stay in the color of Family, but more softer. So that's why I chose this blush. Y sis, remember to hydrate, tomen agua, quieren piel bonita, beban agua, gracias. Now we're going into the eyes, the eyeliner. Y estoy usando lip pencils. Usen eso a su propio riesgo, okay? Like use lip pencils at eyeliner at your own risk. Ahora voy a terminarme el look de abajo con las sombras, matchy con las sombras de arriba. Y entonces para el inner corner, darme un poquito de luz en ambos lados, voy a usar la sombra Candy Floss de la paleta. And this is a really nice, cute little pink. It looks really cute on the inner corner. Ahora para mis pestañas, I'm gonna use Batty Bee Lashes. Pueden buscar esta marca en Instagram. El estilo de pestaña que estoy usando es Batty. I really love these lashes. Ella es una YouTuber, Jenny69, y ella es latina, and I just like her. So yeah, this is the lashes I'm using. Y ahora me voy a hacer el labio. Now my lip look is totally inspired de una foto from a picture I saw online on Instagram de Riri. So I'm gonna use lipstick Tropic Tantrum and Unlock de Fenty. Y este es mi look final. Esta parte del video se ve así porque me fui a un live en uno de Facebook. But yeah, thank you for coming back to my channel. It's that girl Riza all together. That girl Raiza. Riza. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, just like let's talk makeup. Until the next time, chequiamo.